Hi, mommy. Hey.
Hello, my dear. How are you?
This looks nice. It smells really nice too.
Are you ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Oh, preparing your food,
I'm gonna be late to school if I eat it now. I'm sorry.
No, wait and eat.
Wait, I'm gonna be late.
Please wait and eat. No, you won't be late. Just eat small. Just little, my dear.
I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna be late.
Are you sure? Make sure you come back in time, oh. Eh?
Yeah.
Don't be delayed because by the time you come back, your food will be ready. I'll put in a cooler for you so that when you come, just. Thank you, my dear.
You are ready for school now?
I'll go my school bag and everything.
You're going to school?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your mommy at home?
Yeah, she's cooking something.
Is she the one cooking like this? Okay, bye. See you later.
Bye.
Okay. This aroma. Now from far, now I just dey. I dey perceive the aroma from far.
You are joking.
This food go sweet
Very well.
Abeg, do quick. I don't come. I dey hungry. Make you come.
You are who? Now this for me and my daughter.
No do that one.
For you to bring food out from the storage,
Yeah.
you have to use the brew to measure yam. Rice just 2 cups for the whole house to eat. Mba, Olomaje.
The yam, I don't want it to spoil. So when we cut them like that, we will eat, and the remaining one we will still eat another day. That's why I'm mentioning now.
No, it's too much.
You know, say, look here, we have to be economical in everything we are doing.
No, it's too much. That's too much.
I don't want them when they cook too much, they spoil food and they throw food away.
No,
that is why.
You.
Can't give me food now.
No, I don't have your food. Go outside and eat McDonald's or whatever. I don't have anything for you here. It's for me and my daughter.
I should not eat out of your food.
No, you won't eat my food though.
Yeah. So you can't cook food for me again?
No, go and meet Shola.
Who is Shola?
I don't know. Go and meet Shola.
Who is Shola?
This is for me and my daughter. I don't know. Go and eat outside.
I should go and eat outside?
Go and eat outside. Yes. You think I don't know? Go and eat outside though. Yes.
Then I will shock you. I will shock you. No worry, I will shock you. Nonsense.
Yeah.
Space next to where all my other stuff was, and then step back.
Hello. Yeah, I'm waiting for you here now.
How did you know that I was on my lunch break?
Yes, I'm waiting for you. I know it's your break time. Don't you know Yes. I already know your break time. Don't worry. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Yeah. I'm nearly there. Okay. Alright, okay. I'll see you in a bit. I've seen you already.
Hey, thank God. And this one, na very young woman. Maybe say she can't get money, she dey work in hospital, and she have big money which she dey collect her salary. Hey, this one go dey give me money, she go dey prepare better food for me. Unlike that one, that old cargo. Mama Londoner, she will say I'm mentioning food.
How are you?
Queen, I'm fine. You didn't know that I know your break time.
I did. I was surprised when you called.
I know your break time.
How did you know that was my break time?
We've been together for that. So, you see, there is a reason why I come to see you.
Oh, really?
Because all the things you've been doing for me, anytime I come to the hospital for treatment, you buy food for me, you give me all series of things, and the hospitality that you are giving to me is very, very impressive. So this is our friendship now that we are in. You just stay outside, they put this thing for outside. And I heard you sometime that you are complaining that your rent. Is it not right time for you now to move in to my house? So that your rent something, that one will be something that you will be adding to your money. Don't you think so? Or are you afraid because of my wife? You are going to be in your own side now. Everybody will be in their side. For you to know that I'm not deceiving you.
Okay. I think we'll just talk about it more. Because now I'm going for lunch. I'm hungry. I need to eat. We can discuss this.
Let me take you out now.
You want to take me out?
Yes.
Where do you want to take me?
Anywhere you want to go.
I want to go to Nando's.
Nando's?
Yes.
Let's go, my dear. Queen.
Let's go.
These days, I will be taking you out. Hope you enjoy yourself very well.
I had such a wonderful time. The meal was fantastic.
So, what we discuss about, think about it.
I will.
Think about it.
I'll think about it. I'll get back to you. Let me get back to work now. Thank you for lunch.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, the adage says that an opportunity only comes once. And once it is gone, it cannot be regained. I need a flat, and he's offering me one. Let me just move in with him. At least then I don't have to pay rent.
How are you, my friend? How's work?
It's fine.
Oh,
I just want to photograph something.
thank you, bye.
Mommy,
Yes, dear.
who's that lady over there?
Oh, that lady, the one that greeted us. Oh, she's your daddy's nurse.
Nurse.
Yeah, she's a nice lady, you know.
I used to hear Daddy call her on the phone.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, they talk. That's the nurse.
No, but it's not like normal call. It's not like friend. Like it's like more. They like it's not like something that he should be talking about.
Like they're having something.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, I trust that lady.
I don't remember her name, but
Her name is Queen.
yes, that's me. I like they have something going on. I don't know what it is.
You sure?
Yes.
Don't worry. We'll get back. We'll sort it out.
Yeah, coming. This is house. You have got to your house. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you doing?
Do we have visitors?
How are you?
Fine, thank
It's good to see you again. It's a very nice place. So.
Yeah, sit down. Just sit, my dear. Sit.
Nurse.
Hey.
Oh, that's our nurse.
Yeah, this is a queen.
Oh, Queen.
Yeah.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh.
Can I offer you something first? What do you want? Don't worry, everything is for you. You will get that. Yeah, Londoner. You see, there is something that I have been wanting to tell you. You see, as you are now, you've been trying.
Yes.
You try, oh. So, I was thinking that, you see, if somebody gets to your age like this, you need to be taking things easy. So, you need a rest so that you can have that energy to be doing things for your daughter and everything will be going well in this house and for yourself. You understand me? I now think that Queen here, she's good. After all, she's a nurse, you know already. She's our family nurse. So she can be coming to this house, and as she is in this house now, she will be helping you.
Assisting her.
Assisting you in everything. Most especially if I want to eat good meal that will make my body jolly. When we say,
Shine.
So that is why Queen has joined this family now. Okay, you know, as an African man, that's how it's supposed to be. So just take it like that. Thank you.
I don't get it. I don't understand.
No,
what's going on?
I mean,
is that not your nurse?
Yeah.
Come to
this is Queen. This is Queen. Yeah.
Yeah, I know her.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
She's here to be assisting you.
In which area?
In every area.
In
every area. What is it now?
Go.
Madam?
Mama London, I don't know.
Did you not tell her before?
You don't worry. Don't be so some women. Don't worry.
What do you want to eat? I say the kitchen is there.
It's there.
Let me start.
Don't worry. Today, let me entertain you.
Let me put my bag in the room. Come show me the room.
Let me show you your room.
Buckingham Daddy.
Queen.
What are you doing here? This is your seat. This is my seat. Yes, this is my seat.
This is your seat?
Yes.
Where's your name written on it?
Forget about name, but this is my seat. Everybody knows this is where I normally sit.
You sit
this here. This is your own seat.
Oh my God.
You have no right to sit here.
This is
now stand up for me. Stand up.
Madam, this is what irritates me about you. How can somebody tell me where to sit in our husband's house?
Which husband's house? This is your seat. You are my junior. You met me in this house. So this is my seat.
You know,
I'm your senior.
I don't have your time today. You see, honestly, I really don't have your time today. You have been doing this. This one, you cannot touch. This one, you cannot do. This one is my husband's house. I'm the senior. What is the problem?
No, this is my seat.
But your name is not written on it. Your name is not written on it.
This is your own
Show your name. Show me your name.
Hey!
Your name.
What is happening here?
Ask your wife.
What is it?
Ask your madam in the house.
What is wrong now?
This is my seat. Everybody.
Where is your name? Where is your name there?
This is our own seat.
Where is my name there?
Sit here. This is my name. You met me in this house.
Please, my dear. You, this Yalondona, what do they call you? What exactly is your problem in this house? What exactly is your problem in this house?
The color of our problem is what I need to know.
Did we write name on any seat?
That's my seat. That is my seat.
Nobody
take my seat.
Hey! Pepper body.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seats available in the house. This is my seat.
Don't mind her, Jale, my sweet potato. Don't mind her. Now a problem with that. See, body is preparing her. But upon all that, it's a problem. Nobody name is written on any seat in this house. I am the one who owns this house. I bought every furniture in this house. Anywhere you like, you can sit. Don't mind that. But you yourself, I told you not to be shouting with this woman anymore. See, I just they come now. Hungry is wiring me. And I come now meet both of you fighting. I better go bring my food, Jerry.
You said?
My food, I'm hungry.
What food?
I'm hungry. My food now. Am I the one fighting you with it again?
You want me to go there and bring food? Food that you gave me money to prepare.
Queen.
Buckingham Daddy.
Queen.
Buckingham Daddy.
Na me o.
For the last 4 months, Buckingham Daddy, I have been in this house. I have been feeding you with my own earned money. The money that I make from my job, I have been using it to feed you. And you have opened your mouth. You have swallowed every single food I have given you without giving me any money.
Me?
Buckingham Daddy, let me ask you something. What do you do with your own money?
I'm your husband now.
So when you're my husband, you're supposed to carry all my money and use it to eat and get fat. Because you're my husband.
Is it not when I eat and have enough strength that I will get power to grab you?
Which power?
Power to grab you now?
Which power? For 4 months. Not even a single penny. My darling, my honey, my sugar, my baby. I want to eat pepper soup today. Yeah, take this 10 pounds and make me pepper soup. Have you ever given me money to cook the Buckingham Daddy?
Stop playing. Go and bring my food together.
Go and bring your food. You know what? I have been tolerating you and your wife for a very long time. But you see, my own mind is already made up as well.
Why? Made up as well?
I will show you. Just sit down, wait for food, I'm coming.
That is what I'm talking. Bring my food.
My love, I am bringing your food. Sit down and wait.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. And you are saying this thing. Am I not your husband? You give me food, I'll get enough strength so that I will grab you. Bring my food, go.
I'm bringing your food up.
I like to eat your food.
Isn't it food you want?
Yes. Bring my food.
This is what I cooked, Buckingham Daddy. This is what I cooked.
What is it?
What does it look like?
This is your traveling box now.
So, you know it's my traveling box. I thought it was a tray of jollof rice.
Moon, what are you doing?
Buckingham Daddy, for the last 4 months, 4 months, I have fed you with my own money. The money that I made, working morning, day and night, I have been using to feed you. I don't want to do anymore.
I am your husband now.
Oh.
What is that? I don't like this one.
Oh, so because you're my husband, you should drain me. I'm leaving, Buckingham Daddy.
Hello, don't do that.
I said leave my box alone.
Wait. I beg.
Don't beg.
Don't do that.
Buckingham Daddy, leave my box alone.
Don't.
I said leave my box alone.
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa, Jojo is going though. Your honey, your darling. She's going though. She has packed her things and she's going though. Yeah, see yourself. See yourself. Hey. Let me go before you pay me. Let me go. Let me go and call your daughter. Call nurse for you, not me. Your daughter will call nurse, not me. No, I'm coming. Your daughter is coming to rescue you, not me. Because it's nonsense.
How are you feeling now? Are you okay?
Oh, who is at the door? Nobody go kill monkey. Now monkey go kill himself. Jumping from one woman to another. From Buki, Shola. When I say something, you don't listen to me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good. It's even better.
Good afternoon.
Take care of your patients.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is how he has been doing.
Okay, let's take it from here. Thank you. Wow, doesn't look good here. Let me check his heart rate.
You see, you're making her. You see yourself? When I talk, you don't listen. You don't listen.
The heart is not looking good here. I'm gonna move BP as well. How you want, sir? Thank you.
As an African man, tradition and culture must be upheld. As a traditional man, him they display culture anywhere he day. Anywhere wahala dey oh, Buckingham Daddy go solve am.
Blood pressure is high. Yeah. It's 180, 120 at this stage.
Yeah.
Yes. And you just, with his age, you need to be looked after. Please.
Talk to him. It's
No,
not my
it's-
fault.
it's-
He doesn't listen to me.
You know, there's no need for this argument. Please, for now. I beg you.
Nurse, nurse, nurse,
Yes, sir.
help me beggar.
Okay.
Help me beggar
Okay.
to forgive me.
Okay.
Help me beggar.
I will. Okay?
Uh,
Just take it easy and look after yourself, and then I'm going to give the result to the doctor.
Okay.
Okay? Maybe he himself will come out and come and see you personally. You have to do something about your blood pressure. It's high.
Okay.
And your heart rate is not good at all.
Okay.
Okay? Please. So I need to inform the doctor right away.
Okay.
Okay? And madam, please. I don't
I
know
heard
if
you.
for now,
I
please.
heard you. No problem.
Okay. The doctor will come and see you anyway.
What really is the problem?
You have a mini heart attack?
Huh?
You have a mini heart attack?
Huh?
Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
Miami.
You have a mini heart attack. Okay? Something has to be done quickly so it doesn't get worse. Okay, sir? Alright, madam.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
No,
Thank you. Thank you.
I really appreciate you,
You're
eh?
welcome.
Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.